I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with just enough prep. Make sure you have admin access and close sensitive apps because system queries can lock files. Next, press Windows plus R, type DXdiag, and hit Enter to open the Directx diagnostic tool. This is the fastest way to see Directx info. Once the tool opens, allow it to check for WHQL digital signatures and wait while it gathers hardware and driver details. This first step gives you the raw evidence you need to confirm Directx versions and current driver status. Now you'll interpret what DXdiag found. On the System tab, scan for the Directx version line to see the installed API level and note your Windows 11 build. That matters for compatibility. Then switch to the Display tabs to check GPU name, driver version, driver date, and Direct 3D feature levels, because games depend on those. Once done, click Save All Information to produce a text report you can reference or paste into support chats. This avoids rerunning the tool and speeds troubleshooting later. Finish by updating drivers and, if needed, repairing Directx. First, run Windows Update and check optional updates for GPU drivers. Installing the latest driver often resolves Directx errors. If apps report missing DLLs, run the Directx end-user runtime installer to restore common runtime files, not the OS feature. Make sure to reboot after installs. If issues persist, provide your saved DXdiag report to support. One key troubleshooting tip: verify the driver date against your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.